Hi YouTube, it's Elevator Crazy, and I also have a special guest on FaceTime with me.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Bounty Hunter Day. Welcome.
And today we're gonna be unboxing my new iPad Pro 10-inch. So I just got this at Best Buy, and then I also have a case. I'll try to use my nails to get this plastic wrapping off.
Now, please enjoy this special announcement from Bounty Hunter D. This week will be the new week of... I forget. Wait, what's it? Pretty soon, the iOS 11 or 12 will be coming out. iOS 12. Woohoo!
Woo.
iOS 12. Everybody get hyped for that. Woo!
Okay, and I almost dropped it. I almost dropped the iPad. What the heck? Hold on. I gotta get this wrapping paper off of this. Alright, there. I got the wrapping. I did drop it that time.
Wait a minute.
What? Oh. Hold on. Guys, patience. Yeah. So, this is actually the first iPad unboxing I've ever done on this channel. Okay. And on any of my channels, actually. I've never done an unboxing on my Minecraft channel. Woo, I'm about to drop this iPad right here.
Have your sister hold the iPad. I want to see.
What?
Have your sister hold the iPad. I want to see.
She went to the bathroom, I think.
Oh, man.
But I can easily hold it with one hand. Jeez. This, my iPad Air 2 wants to escape from me.
Can I escape?
No.
Oh, okay.
Don't escape. And also, guys, another thing is, Sean Miller's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm going to...
Happy birthday to you!
Chill, dude! Alright, okay.
This actually
comes with a cord itself. Oh, nice.
Can I say happy birthday real quick? I
Um,
want to say happy birthday.
hold on. There's like a... What is it in? What? Oh. Okay, it's in some weird plastic. The iPad itself is in a weird plastic thing. Bro!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday, dear Samnelda. Happy birthday to you from Bounty Hunter D. Hey!
Okay, and then here's the
I'm happy.
iPad Pro. He wanted to see it.
Yeah, Bounty Hunter D. Oh man, that's big.
It's basically the same size as this one, but it's a little bigger.
No! Alright, well, Bounty Hunter D is gonna escape and get off, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace. Alright. There's the iPad Pro. Last time y'all will probably see that device. Alright. See you on the next video. That's it.